Hey all, this is Mr. Hammond, and in this video we're going to look at a Google Chrome extension called MyBib. This is a free citation generator and it just does so much. Before I started using MyBib, I was using a tool called Cite This For Me, and it is a great tool as well. However, it just doesn't do quite as much as MyBib does. So let's look at some of the things that MyBib can do. So I pulled up a blog, and Google Chrome extensions can be found in this bar. If you don't see them in the bar, it's probably because they aren't pinned. So you can click on that little puzzle piece and make sure you pin them. So here is the MyBib free citation generator. So we would just click on that as we are on a site. And you're going to notice several different formats or styles that we can choose from. I'm going to hit that back arrow. I'm going to stick with the MLA 8 currently and show you some of the tools that are there. Now, the first thing I really like here is that it tells you if the source is probably credible based on their data. So you can even click on that and it tells you why they have deemed it credible. So as you scroll down from that, you can see that there is the formatted version. So that, again, MLA 8 formatted version there. So you can just do a simple click to copy that and then paste it wherever you want to paste it. You also have the option for the in-site citation. So if you would like to cite the work within the text, you can do a simple click to copy there and paste it wherever you want. Now, finally, this is another thing I really like, is that you can actually save this to a project as well. So if you want to create a bibliography citation page, you can save it to that. This is great if you are maybe working on several projects at once and you want to make sure that depending on what project you're working on at that time, you save it to the right one. So we can click on the Save to Project. It's going to take us to the MyBib page. And notice I have already added some work here. So you can see the citation page is being accumulated as I add options. And then from here, once I am finished with my citation page, I can go ahead and download that, and I can download it. And I'm a Google person, so I like Google Drive, so I could download to Google Drive, but there are a lot of other options there as well. You could print it, you could save it as a Word file, or send it in some other different forms. And notice even from here, this bibliography page, I can change the format if I decide later on that I want to change the format, or that maybe I misread the format that I really needed it in. Now, there are some other smaller tools here. You can also share your work with someone else. You can change some of the settings, so the font, the text size, and how you want it sorted. Now, I do want to show you one other piece to this. Now, if you recall, we looked at this particular blog, and it showed that this source is probably credible. Let's look at another blog that gives us a little bit different of a message. So I'm going to click on this MyBib, and we'll click on the back button. Notice this one says the source might be credible. So based on its knowledge, it does not see the author is what it is documenting there. So it says we couldn't find any authors for this document. It doesn't mean it's not credible, but it means you probably need to do a little bit more research to make sure that it does have an author, that that person is credible, and so on and so forth. But again, this tool is called MyBib, and you can download it from the Google Chrome web store. Hopefully this is something that you found helpful. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please let me know. Thanks.